before you, and you shall rejoice before Yahweh, your mighty one above. You and your sons and daughters gathered in his love. The weary and the broken, the servant and the free, all are called together before his majesty. Rejoice, rejoice before Yahweh in the place he chose for his name. Rejoice, rejoice before Yahweh, forever he remains the same.
The Levite in your gate shall sing, the stranger standing near, the fatherless and widow too are welcome without fear. Like snow that softly covers, his mercy falls tonight, and every soul is gathered within his holy light.